Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we will see how to make soya chunk pakoda. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Boil 3 cups of water in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of soya chunks. Cover it with the lid, turn off the flame and keep aside for half an hour. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 finely chopped green chilli, 3 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped curry leaves, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and a little salt. Mix well. Now squeeze the soya chunks and add into the flour mixture. Gently mix the soya chunks and the flour. Sprinkle a little water and mix it to ensure that the flour and masala is well coated on the soya chunks. Keep it aside for half an hour. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil becomes hot, reduce the flame to medium mode. Drop the soya chunks one by one and fry till it turns golden brown. Stir occasionally. When it turns golden brown, take it out and keep it on a tissue paper to drain the excess oil. Soya chunk pakoda is ready. Serve it with tomato sauce or chutney. Please do try and post your feedback.